Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Before we get into it, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, you already know what to do. So AMC, we sitting at $12.20 at time of this recording, guys, and it's getting wild. We seen on yesterday how we, after reporting earnings, we shot up in after hours a little 4%, and the pre-market, we had a little traction going. Now all of a sudden, we came right back down doing exactly what this condition of a market was, designed for any stocks to do, even with reporting good news, a good catalyst. Even through, all the great stuff that come towards these companies during rough market conditions and even normal market conditions, we can still experience the same reaction that we got on today, guys. So with that being said, know that even though it's doing the opposite reaction, know the quality that you hold, guys. So with that being said, let's take a look at AMC, guys. We know AMC beat expectations by a long shot, and the money, the revenue is rolling in, guys, way harder and faster than before. Analysts expected for AMC to lose 62 cents a share. We lost 52 cents a share. Revenue, they expected 769.8 million. We received 785.7 million. We up fivefold from revenue from 2021 quarter one. So that's insane, guys. That's insanity. We also is up massively on the amount of consumers and customers that's coming out to visit theaters. We up over 31 million consumers coming out to theaters versus 6.2 million on last year, guys. So that's up 5 times fold. So you already know, guys, our results for the first quarter of 2022 represents AMC's strongest first quarter in 2 full years. We continue our pandemic recovery trajectory more than revenues and improving adjusted EBITDA by nearly 80% compared to a year ago. CEO Adam Aron said in the company's quarterly release, the company highlighted box office hits, its NFT and crypto initiatives, and a $28 million stake in gold miner Highcroft Mining Holdings, a move announced in March. Rather through leverage our core competencies and theoretically exhibition of our experience in balance sheet management and capital raising, we will continue to take bold, decisive action to strengthen AMC for the future, said Aaron. So Adam Aaron said he will continue to make bold moves using AMC capital to invest in other things, whether it's to help build AMC up or investing in companies that was in the same point that they were in a year and some change ago, and helping them get out of that situation while also making money on the back end. So we know Adam Aaron, they got the kiosk rolling. They got laser digital movie things coming where they're going to spend $250 million in theaters. Like I was saying on yesterday, if they could get a new experience on how customers visualize and see the movies and this, that, and the third, come up with some type of new business structure that could also help boost and bring more people back into the movie theaters. Because like they said, whenever a big film come out that everybody in the world want to see, or that you want to see personally, is usually a million other people that want to see it just as bad. And that's when the theaters really get packed out. That's when they really make its biggest profits, guys. So you already know AMC already had a couple good movies in the past recently. So we need some more, guys. And like I say, all this good news, all this good catalyst right here near the last floor in the elevator is still good, even though we didn't get the full reaction that we wanted to for this to go ahead and send AMC flying. We still is in a great position, because regardless of how low it dropped now, it ain't nothing but opportunity. People is eating up those shares. But for the people that's over leveraged, got too much money invested, I understand. You should just sit back, wait patiently, try not to give in, try not to fold. But for the people that don't have their desired amount of quantity and shares, you should be, eating up good, being for the fact that now you don't just see AMC as a falling knife. You don't just see AMC as a shit company just falling. Now you know the logistics, you know the fundamentals, you know where AMC standing at. We found that out. We know where they standing at, and we already knew. We already knew AMC was going to beat expectations by a long shot. And we said during these market conditions, we could also experience this pullback. But being for the fact that AMC was already near its bottom and already ready for a reversal, and a whole bunch of buy signals is being priced in at these levels, we were also expecting that we could possibly see a nice little spike in price action, being for the fact that we was on that last floor. But we mentioned in yesterday's video that we was approaching the key level, guys, and that was 1205. What I say on yesterday, if 1205 is broken, all hell break loose. That means your boy is coming back out the gutter. That means I'm hunting for shares. I'm looking for shares. I'm trying to eat. So with that being said, guys, I'll be watching for 1205 to crack, because this is all a psychological game. It's all manipulation. It's all tactics. We already know what it is, guys. But like I say, what happens when this thing explodes, when we do see the explosion? That's because pressure busts pipes. Too many retail investors, too many individual investors coming in and eating up those cheap shares. When millions and millions and millions spending thousands and thousands and thousands, it'll compound and add up very quickly when they do it all at one time. And when we seen those big explosions, that's what was happening. They always been manipulating this stock. But as soon as we came in forcefully and bought up all the shares, that's when that pressure bust the pipe and send it spiking the way it did. And then that's when the buying pressure slow down, because so much came in after the spike. Once it slowed down, it's not severe as it was before. That's when they manipulation can override our buying pressure, and we ain't able to continue that trend up, because that same buying pressure that gets us to explode don't continue on once we start exploding. It starts to die down, because it be a lot of day traders that's hipping out with that buying pressure, be a lot of short-term day traders that just in for a swing. So with that being said, once they starts to pull out, you already know what's going to happen. We're going to lose momentum, we're going to lose pressure, and then the short sellers, they will start to override us, guys. So you already know, guys, like I said, though, never get off on the bottom. You want to get out when everybody else is chasing your shares. Right now it's go time. It's eat up time. They eating up these cheap shares. So you definitely don't want to, if you're on the verge of selling out, thinking about selling out, this is the wrong time to do it now. You might as well hold it on out, guys, to the end. That's exactly what I'm doing. I'm not, going to tell you what to do. But like I say, guys, I can't tell you when to buy, sell, or hold. I just let you guys know what I'm doing. And your boy been holding for a while. I got an average cost of $9. And like I say, I wasn't buying anymore. I ain't care what the price was, because I don't like messing up my average on a certain type of play. If I don't believe in this play, longevity, meaning I don't believe in the company fundamentals, I'm in this play because of the movement. I'm in this play because of y'all. I'm in this play because we came together collectively, not because I believe in AMC Entertainment and I think they was going to turn their business model around. And now, I'm starting to believe in it. They can do things to help let this be a real business that I would actually hold and invest in for the long term. But before, we didn't see that. We didn't see none of that. All we seen was money, dollar signs, a short squeeze. So with that being said, you didn't have the same attitude with this play as any other plays. So be smart out there, guys. Be smart, meticulous. Know how to invest your money. I love y'all. We out, and God bless y'all. And we gone.